How to fix Google Drive link not working. First of all, long press on the application and tap on the info icon. Now scroll back to the storage section and from here tap on clear case at the bottom and simply head back and tap on force tab just beside install to simply clear any corrupted files and bugs and close the application. Then try to open it via the app. If that doesn't open, you can simply switch back to any browser, search for Google Drive and simply open it. You can also try opening it on the incognito tab if that doesn't open on your regular browser. If the link doesn't work, try clearing the case of the browser itself by pressing on it and going to the app info icon and simply scrolling down to the storage section, and from here you can tap on clear case. Also make sure that the link that you're trying to open has access to you. For that you can check it by tapping on the vertical dots and tap on the details or the view information, tap on it, and from here you'll see who has access to it. If you don't have access to the file, you won't be able to use it, so you can simply request the person who has uploaded the file to give you a request. And also make sure to ask them that the file isn't set to expiration date. If there is a time limit, the file will expire after some time, like a week or a month. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider give a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.